Hello everyone. I wanted to take a few minutes to talk to you today about the literacy position paper. This is the final assignment for this course, and with an accelerated course sometimes it feels like a lot of assignments are due towards the end of the course, and sometimes just getting a little perspective around the expectations of the assignment makes it feel a little bit more actionable. The purpose of this assignment is really to have you take a step back away from the learning you've done throughout this course and really synthesize your thinking and think about how the knowledge that you've gained will apply to your particular content area. The beginning of this paper asks you to take a global view of literacy itself in really thinking about what is the current context of literacy right now. So the textbook and our resources and videos throughout Blackboard really have helped you to think about the current context of literacy, but there are some other perspectives, including the science of reading or a balanced reading approach or targeted information around disciplinary literacy that you may find applicable to your content area. So just taking a step back and looking at some additional resources for this paper may help you to be able to position yourself in thinking about your current context. From your reading and from the research that you're about to engage in, you're going to think about that lens and really think about the importance of reading in your content area and what's really unique about the strategies that you'll ask students to apply in your area. So how do students really think like historians or mathematicians as they're engaging in literacy activities? Your research should include maybe 3 to 5 resources. So it's not extensive research. It's really exploring the internet, looking back over your notes, looking at the resources that we've uncovered throughout this course, and then maybe adding some additional insights, some things possibly from the International Literacy Association or articles or journals from Reading Rockets or the readingwritingproject.org, Shanahan on Literacy, ASCD.org, or perhaps research from Richard Allington. These are just a few suggestions. You're welcome to explore resources from any sites or other materials that you'd like to access. That's fine. The evidence itself in your paper really should speak to you and what you're thinking might be most applicable. So really thinking about perhaps connecting to some mini stories that actually happened in your personal educational context. So some things that really resonated with you, and through those connections, and then thinking about that research and the your reading learning log that you've created throughout this course should really help you to be able to write a very insightful paper and really your philosophy on literacy itself in the content area. And as always, if you have any questions or concerns, please reach out and I'd be happy to answer those questions.